We're going to be talking about parallel and perpendicular lines. So remember, parallel is same slope. Perpendicular is opposite reciprocal. What that means is 2 over 3 goes to negative 3 over 2. So let's look at problem number 1. Number 1 says, consider the line of given equation 5x plus 2y equals 8. Which of the following gives an equation of a line parallel with different y-intercept? So if you look over at our answer choices, all of our answer choices are in y equals mx plus b. So I want to get this equation of y equals mx plus b. So to do that, we're going to subtract the 5x, and I'm going to get 2y equals negative 5x plus 8. And we'll divide by 2 on every single one and get y equals negative 5 over 2x plus 4. So this is my slope. That's my y-intercept. My problem states that I want to be parallel. So my parallel, it needs to be the same slope. So if my slope is negative 5 over 2, I can go ahead and get rid of c and d. My y-intercept is 4, but I want a different y-intercept. So if I look at A, it says plus 4, that's what I have. So therefore my answer is B. Okay, so now let's look at problem number 2. Problem number 2, given a line 3x minus 9y equals 18. What is an equation of a line that is perpendicular given a line's x-intercept? So we want to, again, get this into y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to subtract the 3x on both sides. And then divide by negative 9 on all three numbers. So I get y 3 over 9. Negative 3 over negative 9 is just 1 over 3. X 18 over negative 9 is negative 2. So I want to know is through a point. It's through the x-intercept. X-intercept is when y equals 0. So I'm going to take this 0 and put it in for y. 0 times 9 is just 0. So 3x equals 18 divided by 3. X equals 6. So my point is going to be 6, comma 0. Okay? If it says perpendicular, this is my slope. So I'm going to take my 1/3, and then I got to do opposite reciprocal, so it's going to be negative 3 over 1, which is just negative 3. So that's going to be my new slope. So I'm going to put everything into y equals mx plus b. But if I look up here, this is x, and that is y. So my y is 0. My m is negative 3. My x is 6 plus b. Now I need to solve for b. Negative 3 times 6 is negative 18. Bring down the plus b. If I'm solving for b, I add 18. 0 plus 18 is just 18. 18 equals b. And then up here is my m. So y equals negative 3x plus 18. So if I look over here at my answer choices, we get D. All right, last problem. It says, what is the equation of a line through 6, 7, parallel to the points -1, -2, and 5, 3. So if they just give me the points, I need to know the slope. The slope formula, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So I'm going up here, x1, y1, x2, y2. So 3 minus negative 2, 5 minus negative 1. 3 minus negative 2 is 5. 5 minus negative 1 is 6. Okay, so this is my slope. And if it's parallel, I want to keep the same slope and put that slope into y equals mx plus b. I want to go through the points 6, 7. This is x, that is y. So my y is 7. My slope is 5 over 6. My x is 6. I don't know b. So I'm going to bring down the 7. To get rid of this, we are going to do 6 times 5, which is 30. And then we're going to say over 6. And then we're just going to keep rewriting it. 30 divided by 6 is 5. To get b, I'm going to subtract 2. Or sorry, subtract 5. And 2 equals b. So my equation now, we know my slope because we're parallel, is 5 over 6x. My b is 2.